Yo, what up, guys? It's a very, very gloomy afternoon. It's Friday, guys. So, we're gonna go to the gym again. It's leg day again. And after that, let's see later. Ha? Kasi nung isang araw, sobrang dilim ngayon, no? Sige, bye-bye. See you guys later. Later.
Good night.
Baliw! So we're gonna do the same warm-up as last time. Jumping jacks, pogo, side-to-side pogos, A-skips, and then, yeah, that's about all. And then, we're gonna do plyo. This is my second day plyo. So, there's no box jumps, just broad jumps. Yeah. So, we're gonna show you. Let's go.
Leg day.
Leg day. Hindi, anong klaseng leg day kasi?
Quad.
Quad, anong quad plyo?
Ay,
Bubu-plyo tayo ngayon. So, yun.
Quad ako eh.
Start
Pero
kami ngayon
sabi
muna.
na.
Let's go. Bruh.
Time mo na.
Ikaw na mag-time mo.
Ha?
Stopwatch. Sige, wait lang. Pag 10 seconds, baka masyado akong mabilis ah.
Ayoko na.
Ngayon ako konti. Tapos diretso. Madali yung talon. Straight.
May timer.
Wala, 20 lang. Kaya mo full game shape para di kami...
Eh, baka ma-injure ako.
21, 2, 3, go.
Taca lá dentro do taca lá dentro do baile. Taca lá dentro do baile. Norte, taca lá dentro do baile.
2, 3, go. Side na 1.
Ilang.
Madali, basic. Sige. 1, 2, 3. Lumaba na yung ano mo, isa pa.
Ha?
Last. Pero diretso lang. I-load mo yung legs mo, tapos try mo magsimula dito, Deso. Ganito, pag gano'n. Diba? Tumayo ka, diba? Trap bar jumps. Ikaw na. Umupuan yan. Ayusin mo lang form mo. Kala mo ah.
Ba yan? Wala ka tapat.
Straight, hindi ganun. Ayusin mo. Wala.
Hila mo pa ako ba yun?
Laglag eh. O nga ni, yan. 1, 2, saka ganun ka oh. Hawakan mo lang. Haji. 1. Kahit nice. Basic.
Ito eh. Guys.
Maganda. Ayan. Yo, what up guys? So pagod na ako.
Wait, try ko nga ito. Paano ba dito sumakay?
Madali.
Paano sumakay?
Doon.
Ha?
Boy. Up. Baliw. May baliw. So yon, pagod na kami.
Tapos na, okay na.
Pero hindi kami
Okay na to.
titigil. Next workout. Let's go.
Ano next?
Ano next? Sabihin mo ano?
Hindi ko
Single
alam.
leg RDL.
Ano yun?
Sabihin mo lang.
Single.
Hindi, dali na.
Single light RDL.
Single leg?
Sabi mo single light.
Leg? Anong light?
Kaya
Paano
nga sabi
magiging
ko, ano
light?
yung single light?
Dali, single leg.
Single leg RDL. Sabi mo single light. Sabi ko, ano yun?
Ito na, transition.
Anong?
1, 2, 3, go. Hindi siya same side. Ano yun? 1, 2, 3.
Yun.
Go. Ganun lang. We're done. Ay, yung mic mo nakasara. Ay, ulit. Okay, guys. We're walking and we are going to eat at the Only Chicken in, after working out, we're gonna go do Only Chicken. Ayan, ipayag siya. So, ayan, guys. Dito yung Only Chicken. Malapit siya sa top side, City of Way. Ayan siya. City of Way. Okay. Nandito rin sila. Yung mga friends ni Jamaiman. Kain.
Okay. Nag-play na. Ay. So, i-enjoy namin yung unli.
Great, great.
Ano to? Lemon glaze. Lemon glaze.
Great, great. Oh, this is working. Hello, guys. So, it's really late at night. So, this will be my outro. Kasi wala pang outro. So, watch out for my next vlogs. I'm gonna do the 75 hard challenge. Let's go. Kaya kumain ako ng Only Chicken ngayon kasi we're gonna do the 75 hard. And then, if I fail, then I fail. I'm a failure. But when you fail, you'll get up and do it again. Anyways, let's go, guys. Wish me luck. Comment down below. Subscribe. And no bicep, bruh. The bicep's not working now. Tricep. Hey! Let's go, let's go, let's go. Bye-bye.